come my way. Oh yeah.
So what did you heard?
About
My ear. You don't care about me.
oh, don't say that. Why? They came to tell me that at the hostel that you're having problem with your ear. So
And what did you do?
of course I came there yesterday evening. Didn't you go for a checkup?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I came there.
Okay, that was just by the way.
Yeah.
But I'm getting a little bit better.
How can I just sit down and relax upon hearing
Yeah,
your?
stop flashing me.
Oh no, don't do that.
Okay, that was just by the way.
Okay.
Have you heard?
What?
Hmm.
Your ear again?
No mind here. That form one girl, I'm a breather.
Oh yeah.
Do you know she's dating Aroma? And she is my J's sister.
She's my Jesus.
Why you don't know? But my J is your friend. And you know nothing about it. Hey! Bernice came to tell me that when she came to this school, she didn't get anybody. Brother James, the fake pastor. They are dating.
I've seen them before, but I didn't know they were dating.
It's something serious, oh. They are dating. They are in a serious relationship. She's not learning. Almost a class ordinary.
So she's dating brother. Who told you that?
Bernice. Bernice, like she's cool with the form ones, so she knows everything. Yeah. And why are you quiet? I'm giving you a gist. Give me that same energy. You're not giving me the same energy. That's what Mama concerned.
Oh no. I'm just
so talking.
After I don't care if she's dating brother James, like so she's dating Aroma.
I just said it.
Are you sure they are dating?
I'm sure. Why would I come and lie to you? And they aren't playing too. They are not playing. It's a serious one.
Even if they are dating, you should just try and separate them.
Is it my business?
Hey, say you and Amma.
Hey, please, I beg you. Amma is not my friend. Do I know her?
But you are the same hostel with her, so you should just try and separate them. Like
now, as a Form 1 student, you came to school to learn, not to have a boyfriend. Upon all the guys in this school, you went for Aroma. And should I come and advise you? Are there any enemy? Charlie, don't tell me that twice because you and my J, like you are close. That's the main reason I'm telling you. I don't care why.
Just try and separate them for the sake of my J.
Me, for the sake of my J. As what?
You know, if we do this for my J, by separating that Amma and Aroma, my J is really going to like you.
I don't care.
He's going to like us.
Because he if he likes me, that one day, he does not feed me. He don't pay my school fees.
But yes, you should just.
Why are you being pompous?
No, because you know Aroma is not a good guy. Like, let's do this for the sake of
my J will tell her sister, not me.
But you two should do the girl side. You just call the girl.
As for this one, I won't be a girl you. As for this one, dear.
And listen, I said let's do this for my J. You know, even my J cry. Like,
why are you so concerned about it?
Yeah, because my J is really suffering. Like, I've been listening to his story, how he's taking care of her sister and blah blah. Like, it's not easy.
So you are my J's friend. So go and tell my J that Bretta is dating Aroma. My J in the she in the who no want him to me afo. I should go and advise his sister.
I'll do my part at my J side. That's why I said you should do your part for the girl side. That girl no cry,
she's not my friend. No. She's not my friend. I don't even like her. She's not my friend. I don't like her.
It will be good for us. So
good for who?
If we separate them, my J will like us. You know my J.
No, do I care? So my J if I'm home.
And listen, try and separate them.
You can't tell me that. You can't tell me that. Like, you can't tell me that. I don't ask like you are being serious about it.
It's because of my friend.
It's okay.
I'm serious because of my friend. Like, me if more being dating my down for like, why? Why should it happen that way?
Why?
Because my J sister is also my sister. So why should someone just?
I hate what you are doing. How is my J sister your sister?
My J is my friend. He's
So-
my blood. So like.
And I said, go and tell my J, the King Kong, go and tell him. I'm not the right person to go and advise her sister.
Because I also have the same feeling like Aroma is dating my sister since Amma is my J sister. She's also my sister. So like I'm also hurt. Like just separate them. Just separate them. And listen,
You
do
are
that.
annoying me.
Why?
In fact, I'm not going to do it. So why am I even talking? I don't care. Why? I don't care. So I'm going to the hospital. I'm going to rest. Yeah. Will you come and check up on me later?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Buy me food when you are coming. No? I'm talking to you.
I said yeah, I'll buy it.
Okay. Bye bye.
So you are not going to separate them. And listen.
Leave me alone.
Let's do this for my Joe. Hey. Aroma dating Amabrita. That's what Timakuma.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so meya. Oh Lord, I pray let
Yeah, me di me ni ene dem dem aso atete. Ana me gina so dey bisa nso. Enti me mfa no bufu konso. Na say me hu se wone akwai Aroma. Why no so for some of the nam school man no se wone no ase me hu se na me nsin kan no ba me hu se ase mu di agro bi na mote ha na ase mu koba na ase mote baby sere ase mu di ade den na ko so ne Aroma nke
Chimposo. Pastor James will be any say or a soft what you say. And I'm me buy and no na say o preachy me kakra. Shini and tem.
na se wo fie kra na ama na won kwa asore o na won fanya me samon ya fie
Intina make say what's sami. On say you know on the preachy me. Shini and tem.
tema won nya sofu bia ma na ansesa se Aroma ne timi wa asore sofu ntimi ansesa Aroma school abai na Aroma esesa o
Na ukra wante na me yare o no kra na bo mpa ye ma me atete.
Ama said ya wo kana no krese anya no krese wa asesa o so won sesa o de ekoso ni ntem bia no me ne wo ene ono no me ensa nanim right I say nti wo no se wo kan no kra na se wo twa ntro kra wa na wonim de wo kan by the me ka cho no se Aroma no wanye hwe ohuye won me de enye se bia so de hunu se me no de se ye ntemu nya fa ye ni wonti me kra de nka me be kan we agede ba Aroma no me ama me pui what I say eye den ya me ne wa wo hoda what I say nti no wo ko ba bi na nya me nhwe ma wonko what I say Aroma no onye school mu hanyi na wona na enye school mu hanyi na Aroma na enye nti se sa agro na mu didi se bibia ni mu ntem kra sa agro na mu di no ebetimi e de bibia ba mu ntem so twen ho firi no twen ho firi Aroma ho pa because all the sofo sem sa no de ye other girls no no do moti kwa aka for mu school mu a
So the enkofoti kwa ka fomu. So fa enkofoti enka fomu. She ni menene ntem. Ba me kra say I thought that would me shock fans pa. Was na me dia me ni Aroma, utra hu se tititi kona bia sa me dia unhwemu ho.
Ho de me nhwem ho de na me ka no but boy no onye ama ukọ baby na enya se me ni hwe ye kra me nhwe se because ochina bi kopie baby na se ukofa problem bi ba ebe me ya boy no onye twe ho firi no Aroma onye twe ho firi no me pese be nenam sansensem we so na obra no ibu na ode abufuo no achewa bo ana se o na ehwe wo school sese a no we nani ama o
We no dia unhwemu.
ama me nhwemu
Na se unhwemu.
ade de na Aroma no de ama wodi ana ase waka acho
Oma me hwe wo preach me. Nti menim de nti ase. Me hata me nyam wa frema begina ase be ka chem se na den na Aroma. Hwe ni.
ama hwe hu ye woni me bia me ka fa Aroma ho chiro sisi abe so unim se Aroma hye Sunday unim
Na se me kura me ka se obi a wo hye de Mimpu.
So be our show by so far or she open.
Oh, say I know the and your shade.
Yes, the make can be a open. Oh, no.
Or your madam for your machine tea, the Okika corner.
And I'm a down for fun, so be my BBSC.
On the rear, we see a chimney of it, Jina, see a cankaruma, and for Sarpine, so mammy scanner from Comarcra.
Many minutes in a head, Castle ye, and no catch them some most on the Fakosha.
Tis a crying and wooing him.
I cry no young by the make an announce when him.
Aroma now many J. John and one how.
Aroma now in J. John and Akran the Hina.
Hey, Scanty, once or by an may have tell him once and soon you crane, soon any for me.
The Meme Cassan, no chair from Miss Wako, Hataniaman.
Now, midday a cranny sick by Assemble Munedia, or by better to our papa.
Mamma may can as some chalk anasem. We may catch you say Jarome to the mechanics as some chalk anasem now.
Would then answer some of fatu, a cranny scans also for money. My J, my subet why.
Poor no one, I subet my faculty come on my John on the dinner baby. I did other my J threaten, Miniska, my Jordan threaten, then of a friend of the J.
Oh, make a friend.
On the school mono, boom, send him on the
What's make a friend
of my Jane, my J.
But when one from me and be summing, Aroma same be moon.
I'm a TT. Aroma, when you
There be a may call cause.
Untia Koi Matty.
Yeah, me pay what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Can't see me crowd.
Think I'm sorry, and I'm the one bet you see me. Sorry, and I'm a time home. I'm a mini.
I say I'm about one of the crucial
From this time, any brand member so be there and Musu have come you. Mini are no better than problems are the Bremen or a chain bibia. Who problems are the Bremen could create chain bibia and Nimbi. There some.
I'm to say me can't be chill. So girls win. Anderson. Only Ben is only on more quanas a day.
Many girls win. No one bit me in my quam. Many like the Adam today.
Anderson, I half hour no.
Me.
Do we do a terminal?
Women more. Minimum. Sana last time we car body be. And I'm body and this is shame of home. Because now some men no cray. Just how long on I say may be on mamma. I shall like the amateur I see and all.
My dear young Paul.
Me ampa. What's the day?
Say, oh, cry, or say, oh, school, I say, what must school, I say, 6 years. What bone. Utimi dia minim dia ntia utino bia omo didi watem so omse wuti passe kakraka na woni nam skuma se wayo ho se wo de obi antime nya wo hwe na wo guli nkrofo
ana guess ni di me matem
eno ni dia Anderson e kan yo
Anderson e di me matem
ana you know Benis Benis nso say nso abon
say no dey born dey no
I know you kind dey me cramp me gidi on say
so abon tie no dey kan no
wa wasam na aba na ye ka to no dey kan ye cram me gitu me say no dey
ama o chese guess no omo didi matem wa bra me nya omo hwe
ba ye bibio
I guess we any omo ye free anam ka so omo size ni yana ye nyama bitimi ateku o ana so mka senti ye ntimi fa yensa ke ka omo nyama bitimi ya relax so mu timi ahwa nyama bi e besi no so mu timi wo school mu apa o nyama e besi no ama
are you the opa macho o Benis
on power cho me the on power macho wo no wapo acho me on power macho na ge so komo me na omo didi wo school mu asa no so no so omo we bo
me
o fo so omo o fo so omo
Debbie
na o le o mi tu fo o ntie no that one see me tam bibi dia bu tiri mama o that jimi na o so le am ka bibi a tiri o ntie no so fo o ko so omo ko me ye chance aba wa be ka kwasase mu a kire Ah!
It's only my father father.
I can't say Adams. Only akra ni sika se na akosi say.
Maybe say me can't show. And I'll send it 250 be mommy.
O send it say
250.
ah. Now 50 now.
One fan come home.
What 50 now come?
Me say question is that na one fan come will say me that say was send it 250 na mommy.
You tell me 50 na you know the best so. 50 na you know the best. Say na no suppose to try me pa. Say obani papa no Jimmy. One here that could make you ama wa ke kan se mate. Nipa ni Jimmy na America no we still no I so feeling no. Huh? Hey. Unya broken out that. Hey. Me broken out me nya no. Isu top an paper kan. Hey. Asemui. Now the insuanya na koyebi. Why? Insuanya now the ya no be for akomani agro. What it? O dey call me no be ka sana scan o dey send 50 ni dey anyume ya abeje. What it?
Can you see you?
For our course for our course for.
Yeah, ka cram me ba won. Why?
O chira abeje mi no kusima.
Sure.
What's it?
Huh?
What's it?
Man coffee.
Okay, then we can this here.
Man coffee.
What bread? Beef for bread? Room no to meet me row. Beef for bread? What bread? What bread? Precious! Oh, come.
What is wrong?
Opre?
What has happened?
Opre? Information me tipa in na. And someone me catch you in opre. What is the problem now? Resource near say.
Opoku. I thought it was an emergency.
They say na me the man na kusi say.
Oh, you are always making mountains out of molehills. Why?
Mountains out of
molehills. Why?
Let's
put that aside. The girl confirmed it.
Say,
my J is her brother.
My J nyan again. Opre. Oh, me want some na me be catch her on. Opre. Me menino a tiger eye.
You were right.
Opre, look at all this.
You were right.
This call for celebration. Kenki. Matwama. Kenki.
You kill me. Hey, Opoku.
Let's finally. But being a worker. Me shada no me say, "Von chamin troda." Von chamin tro.
So what are you getting out of this? After proving that they are siblings, what are you getting?
Okay, the me hwehwe no. Ade a me renu nim. And as me hu so a ubehu.
Why don't you just take your book seriously? And you are rather taking other things seriously. Opoku.
Book dem baba ko pia.
Ese hu hia nkoa na wafa hu hia.
Obre dem me ya na hu hia o. How ka say dem me ya na hu hia?
How is that important?
Hu hia papa.
How?
You don't know. As dem me ya no. Se me hu akire pa ho opre. Ensema be kwa akotwetwe ba no. Opre? Ase eye kuku na si ho ba mu ya sremba mu hu ade pro. Esu anti no mu hu. Na e ubie ma. I said the wujina che no hu forest no. Hu ni se kakraka ba wura ma. Edua bia wo bebi esie. Bia wo bebi esie. Na sa ade wo mitimi biem se ya. Bia be hu na asem, bia be hu ni case. Opre asem ma ye ba no.
CID.
If you say asem kese ye ba.
Investigator.
Me if na ko mo frame FBI.
FBI.
Mo frame CID, mo frame inspector. Me asem we dia kan so. See the exam Seer. Near the same way Seer. Opre. Meja exams no ho akofa asem. Lutu na kopon. Opre me.
Stop schooling Opoku, you are wasting your time.
Na my certificate am ready ko CID. Opre.
me dream nante me ye CID o enti na me di consensus no say CID is there wa check ra omu wura asem opre me asem we o de see ya wa happy we are all here then ya when it burst you hear the smell a pra
You better ne kankan.
sure me edimo me ya wo generation by generation edimo na me na ye yo me papa me si nimpom me se kwasi poku eduma we no ye ya ekun na odu ye
Hey.
Koko se eduma na wo so unim okodi anwona na bi konko we de won na me ka kire okodi anwona na bi konkonsa na anwona ni ne kire no opre dom de ye no
So you also want to follow that path?
Debi. Omo chi no we de won me ka kire waso no mo why me papa tiri ho man nyina omo why no tiri ho man nyina no omo twitwa ne nsa ne nan na omo de ye light tube omo de ma wono no ate ho no wodi
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months I drum me yeah. Oh Lord.
I be doing some one Anderson.
And my Jamie know day.
See how the down now we
Also party and tell. Ade. Me know day.
You. Now long be na o ti school wa here yen sa no. Catch me. Me here na ko di kom catch him straight.
So the only day is ni pakasa in a cool way. Oh banana o kun when I say o be dey.
Asa awon so no o. Me catch o. Mama catch o. Hinipa na o so ye o di na tem no.
Tani fa me o me.
Me bi be yi wani.
Alright.
What are the red said your covers day what?
Only tell about day.
Utiri so was day. Mama catch me me nya akra ma o. Me my J me nya akra ma.
Mama say o ya akra.
Now who did give me mathematics me nya ketu? Are you mad?
Ade, what make us say in a cool way my J? Ade.
Who's your me kasa in a cool way chire o?
Oh buy na na kasa. E bia Anderson makwa say ni say eh na kre. Be a gentleman for once.
Wa bodam gentleman.
Be a gentleman for once.
Gentleman.
That's an
Mama can say me cho. Menenyo, first and last warning. For you insulting me at my back. I'm serious this time around, Abigail. For you talking to my back where I'm not there. I'm serious this time around. Abigail, maybe you are
serious that.
I'm not a cat.
So I'm not a cat. The bro for time.
I'm not a cat, Abigail. So what me di matemachi me nya?
Like how? Ade, tobe semia would de. Ade,
me tobe semia.
Tobe semia would de. Papa,
you see?
Ade.
Just who come and want
can't be cool.
We been say wasum ba ko ma just.
Why you wanted though? Why you wanted? Yeah, I'm going to report on the foul.
Wanted means na more yes and me cover the air as convict to be boom out of me.
Why I wanted to come here, met you, me quiet about
the chimney on the cover of Janiana. What chimney on the cover of Jani?
Someone make a candy in the mean America. I'm not born.
Forget it now, cross 16 years, Nibi was in my repuno. We never catch it. Forget it. Mammy catch up with me, Akrama. Shey,
we know nyani na musu buy a pesu buy 4 time. Like, chai.
Mami. Me dey come on na me ni wudi.
Oni mi.
Ana warning am Saturday mount.
Ti me ma me warning na.
Warning am dey mount.
Oni say me suro wo, oni say.
You see dey.
O be here dey. My day odi me mechi.
Lift up your hands. Lift up your hands. Lift.
Yeah. Just lift.
Kabo you subai. Lift up your hands. I will slap you.
Because me see her own.
Lift up.
You think I'm like Seer?
Lift up
I'm
your
not
hands.
Seer.
Come this side. Lift up your hands and come this side.
Kabo you subai. Okay. The better way. Ana wako higher ba.
The man ko higher ba. And then come ko higher ba then ka do obi hu nke chain say. Me catch you me say.
Yeah, what how
day? I don't hear me. Me say no one kan ko di matem wa bonti am ni
me di watem. Why am I born number di watem?
What di matem?
Say.
What di matem?
Say.
You insulted me.
That what?
You insulted me.
What did I say at your back? What did I say? What did I say?
Sister, me they say that hey that call me to see mu baby on.
Me, if I'm in the agro, my dear. Me don't go put some way na machi o, madam achichi me choose this here.
I was obi di ne be ja na akra ne ho ye we hin no. So timi tia akra ne kitikiti bi. Sa style nam de be. Me be se baby okuto bi ma.
Me nku.
Akoto no, obi chiri ma chiri obi ani ni.
Na me se me nku. Na me suro, o try me mechi o. Simple. I buy me the master mama.
Oh, cheche ya ode pa.
Meche why I wanted it to the oh ya na macho.
Say na abi timi ja close.
Simple. Meche me mama grab you say.
Sa.
Minimum base hon so.
Sa na ka che me.
Dem ko na bia akọ bia me minimum. E ma ya che ofefefe. Wo, mema police for atian. Oh my god.
Na minim say okura de nka wo tema asema nka be yesterday. Enchi obi su.
Me mesu. Say.
Na maka che.
Ka say obi su le hu ahim.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come any months so drum me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Aha, Benes.
Sorry.
I heard you've been fighting with my J on campus. Then
That guy, my J, Nzika Kakana Nyanse Bailey.
Then what's going on?
Hey, baby. The last time we went for a funeral at is it Menshia or something? Yeah, we went to Menshia for my grandpa's funeral.
Okay.
So on our way we met Mike J over there.
You and who?
Seer. So he started that he's misbehaving. He was misbehaving just like that. I think also a catch such a girl, sir. That was it. So then he got angry. I didn't do anything. But I didn't do anything bad to him. I didn't do anything.
You just asked him, say, I don't know, Kasache.
I know Kasache girl, no, in that man, or Kasache and rough rock. When I'm selling to no, yes, I didn't make I no. I want to know what to do to him, so I'm in the open.
My Jess, I don't question some no. One say, school one, this guy, one year, you get problems.
I want to say, no, Jimmy, Obi, and Kano Quench, no, Jimmy.
Because, let's say, name, is the way I really respect you on this campus, or the bar or so. Like, as my dream was, I mean, the last time you share library nature or my ferry, me person a frog or I know, because I mean to me. I respect you on this campus, my J.
I know Jimmy, no one, no, the nice and bammy swine.
Hey, Ben is a crowd and support you. Like, guy, no, why am an abroso? What the about so no? Hey, why my police for the chin school.
I call me imagine class me my bet you by me. I said not me as a Jimmy near too much or Jimmy Dodo.
Yeah, from then you will start respecting me because one tree would winning bear for don't me chin.
Or the me bear for and they see an obey me in my for me Ben is father into me family.
No, yes, I'm what's a to school. My bones say obey calm, obey because why is my calm these days? In a bear will benefit me. It is a see a crown. Once a case in the trim. Oh, I mean, you won't mean another case. So, it is a profile.
You're babu.
That be so. So, you are doing a sabe count. The police for not have a fan. To know bunch when you are. But your man was a late.
Send also.
The ball. Mama, police watching. I don't know they bounce.
In the end, they all support me because they all any day. Video try me, do ma. Remember, police for Abechino.
That guy, he said, he's my best friend, and I want the best for me. The person was his son. They didn't know we so know that. Or the assistant. Come in, my uncle didn't care better. Also, hence, never find show trim say, Bia. Make my man say, Lena, not an answer. That's it.
What's my made them it in what kind of
Cecilia,
I say, me, Joan.
Cecilia, on your Opoku can't nature one. Omo Dibo, which me. Shut up.
Let me go chill.
Starting is a Seer. Who are you for?
But Obo me dey ma register or hospital.
I no crowd meet you. So Obo now try can be a method. Mention when I mean what else? It is a Akabenezer police station or school nature no or number.
Me or number.
Offer 191 crown no. Yes, mention. Why is the business? Okay, take care.
Okay.
I report them.
No, do. Wait, no, but pass a comedy. For you.
So, my trim nanka.
Enso. I be I told you.
Yes, I may still ask me. Be say be won't me.
There be a bread. No, me call you the
You can make it.
Okay, you could tell me. Bye.
Okay, take care. Okay. Bye. Mafia. So, me na meet me from Samboa.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come.
Brother James, you left your phone at the leisure lounge. Your phone.
Oh, you can leave it there. I have a new one.
So what should I do with this one?
I said take the phone back. I have 2 phones. I don't need it.
But it's yours. You take it. I'm sorry I took your phone.
Thank you.
Are you in a hurry? Brother James.
I am waiting for both.
I wanted to talk to you. No hard feelings.
We are talking.
You had a call.
From who?
Berta.
Okay.
Okay. That's what you can say. Speaking of...
Hey! Why?
I'm not even done. What have I said?
Why are you disturbing me? You brought my phone. Thank you. So go.
I wanted to talk to you.
Oh God.
What have I done to you at all? Speaking of Berta, I learned you guys are having a thing too. Is it true?
Is it true that what?
You guys are having a thing to do. Like you are in a relationship with Berta.
Can I say this? If you push the old lady, where she's going to strike, does it concern you? Huh? See, why at all are you still investigating in my life? What do you want from me?
I'm just looking out for you.
Looking out for me? For what reason? Huh? For what reason are you still disturbing me, Seer? What do you want from me?
You're just being a good person. The Berta girl, she's not good. Like what you see, she's not a good person.
Let her kill me. You see that girl? Let her kill me. Huh? If Berta kill me, I like. Let her kill me. In fact, I'm even dead. Come on.
Wait, are you even aware she's related to my J?
I'm aware. Yes, I'm aware.
And you're cool with it?
I'm very, very cool with it. Huh? I'm very cool with it. What else?
How can you be cool with somebody that's related to a toxic person?
That same toxic person is your what? If my dear is toxic, oh, thank you very much for caring about me. No. Hey, don't touch me, you silly girl. My dear is toxic, right? So I shouldn't date his sister. You are dating my dear. You live with a toxic person. You sleep with him. You eat with him. So hey, who should be concerned here? You, Sister Seer. I think you have to concentrate and live your life and leave me alone. You understand? Yes. So thank you for bringing the phone.
What do you mean thank you for bringing your phone?
Seer, wallah, you won't free hand come boss. I'm not joking with you.
Leave
here.
Me serious. Me as some can be some catch no hard feelings. What for the person about come out and me?
Oh, I see your type. You are those that they have to touch before you learn sense. I know. Huh? Oh my dear, I didn't know I say a boo and son what's your son, me boy. Huh? I think I'm talking with you. Silly girl. Useless.
Don't catch my dear. Koshini. So bad, mommy. I don't sorry. I'm crying. Oh, catch my dear.
So I feel me too. Aroma. What am I nothing?
Now I'm done with you, Mario.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray.
Now, I think you and I will be at peace.
Right.
You used to complain a lot about Aroma and the fact that I was helping him and all that. You thought we were actually having something going on.
We are already at peace. Where from that again? Why Aroma again?
Oh.
Is that the reason why you wanted us to talk?
Oh no, I just wanted.
No. Why should you mention Aroma? Like why? Huh? Precious, why should you do that?
You let me talk here.
Talk.
Yeah. So right now, I feel like aside the fact that I've not really been meeting Aroma often, someone else has been appointed by God. Let me say it that way. To be with Aroma.
So that's the person's case.
Let me talk here.
Why should I let you talk? Like, I don't know if someone else has been appointed by God or whatever. Like, how that's concerned us?
I'm trying to let you know that it will make our relationship perfect. Now that I'm Britta and Aroma are dating, it will make our relationship perfect. I'm Britta and Aroma.
Amma.
You know me, I have the gist. I'm Britta and Aroma, they are dating happily. And it will help us, because right now, Amma will be helping Aroma. Amma has been buying food for Amma and all that.
It will help you.
You and I, so that no Aroma matter will come into our situation, our relationship.
That Aroma guy.
Why?
You.
Why? Aren't you happy that he has found somebody?
How can I be happy? He's an evil. He's just disturbing all the girls on this campus.
Oh,
today this, today that. Like, why should he date that Amma girl? Huh?
I feel like they are the perfect match.
How? You know Aroma is not a good guy, so how can they be a perfect match?
Aroma has changed.
Since when? Even if Aroma has changed, he can even date someone else, not Amma.
Why not Amma?
Amma is a newcomer. So.
Oh, does that matter? Amma is really, really good, like very good. And Aroma is a changed person. Aroma, like, she's even bringing the best out of Aroma. Because there are some things that I know Aroma, he would never do it. But now he's doing it.
It's like we're defending him.
Yeah, that's what I'm here for. I'm here to tell you that Aroma has found a good match.
Honey, listen, man. Try your possible best and kill that relationship, that Amma's relationship and Aroma. Because, you know, that girl, she's a newcomer. She has to take her studies serious. She has to catch up with some things. So for her going to Aroma, Precious, you know it's no good.
Oh, I think it's good. It's actually.
Listen, I hold nothing against them. I hold nothing against them, but
like
I just.
You hold something.
Oh no! Why? No. I just want the best for the girl, and you know, Aroma will be stressing the girl with this man of God things and other stuff. I don't mind, but.
When you start dating, you have to sacrifice something. So it's up to the girl to know how to manage her time and all that. But as we stand now, everything is good. So let's just be happy for them. Just be happy.
Oh, me, I'm not bothered at all.
Be happy. So now we know that someone else will be washing his clothes and cleaning his shoes.
I'm not bothered at all. Like. So can't you tell the girl anything?
I can't.
Do you support their relationship?
Oh yes, 100%.
Okay, if you say so. Let's destroy it.
Destroy what?
He's not a good guy for that.
Oh, let's scratch this. I've already told you this, so. I wanted to show you something. Which one should I buy?
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with me, yeah.
I don't know my own chef for man. I said, who should we do? Ah? Oh, no, my own show anymore. I didn't say, a bear can make pim on and can't go up a gina means no wash my soon. When's me and your on your bear? And your tribby.
Yo, obey steady routine.
Steady wahing.
Mamma, who now pin me on? But man, Cassati, what pin me? Man, Cassa, may call, say the Digi Matem.
Where now, where me more bow?
Sister, shall we be a no share? I shall from routine.
Now I know it's me, I bought me up.
Then I see a bear once a man as a Mupasamu Jim and there I know.
And your chair.
Yo, obey careful. What's
a careful maintenance no saw me so. We are wine.
So she am a boo. We are wine. Put your pay mistake. No, Bonnet, Crassinia to say what? Crassini.
Well, I'm kind may ye pound. Said the Adam catch him and one a mayo.
Adam to see a meme every day.
I will be, sir.
Adam see a meme day.
When you have Bonnie 70, Adam sold on Sakama police for one show.
Anna Adams and then made in Sakawa.
I
ain't now who me the Oyeni.
I can't say me a day.
Oh,
by Bonnie, so now for near you, Ama. police to buy. And then so
Adam's na police for nchim.
Aye. So we need to buy nye.
Mate, we to do musuo.
Why na fa musuo nko? So for musuo ko.
Ah, we mean me pa o.
Me mean we dey na betimi ama me.
Ah, I sister work as a for father my order.
Me aya ama me.
Mate, why?
Joe.
Hey. It's say ban into father for na ya na so one father for na. Adams. Who Adams who be my police for achimi. Yes, what could tutu nseme gugu na so. Hey.